Oh, I'm going. Well, howdy, howdy. Good now. I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. This, right here, right now, is Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. Destination radio, signature radio, radio, the place to go, the place to be, the place to see. So do the do, be and see the see, and do it right here. At Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools, home of the hits and the happenings on YouTube, your rock and roll friend. So, friend, what do we have rock and roll and twist and turning, churning, chundering, thundering, and manhandling on the eternal playlist here in the Endless Now, right now? This now share moment, this moment we now share to listen to rock and roll that's running, whether we're there or not, on the eternal playlist. So, strap in. We got ourselves, well, you know, everybody remembers the 80s band. Well, most people remember the 80s band Echo and the Bunnymen. And maybe what some people don't know is that the Echo they referred to is not lead singer and songwriter, guitarist-songwriter Ian McCulloch, but Echo is the drum machine. So Ian McCulloch, who everyone thought was Echo, is actually just another faceless Bunnyman. Be what that may be. Ian McCulloch is an interesting fella, a Brit, and like I said, his band was Echo and the Bunnymen. And this, from 2003, is from his solo album, Slidling. And the first song is Sliding, and we're going to finish it off with High Wires. So, hey, all you Echo and the Bunnymen fans, let's see what you think about this particular Bunnyman and his solo material. Ian McCulloch, Sliding from the Slidling album.
If you see me slide, see we're gonna slide together. If you see me hide, tell me I can hide forever. Come with me now, 'cause now I run. Show me how to be someone. Let me fly into your sun. When my clouds are crying, see
Atmospheric alert, atmospheric alert. Yeah, my fog machine wouldn't turn off with the remote control, and so I had to do the manual override. As you can see, we have a fog bank rolling in here at Axis Picks, Claw Hammers, and Footstools, but that doesn't stop us from listening to the solo music of Ian McCulloch from Echo and the Bunnymen. The main Bunnyman, you might say? Ian McCulloch. This is from his Slidling album, 2003. We're going to wrap up this set with High Wires. Ian McCulloch. Well, it just goes to show when he's separated from his gloomy fellow Bunnyman and that accursed Echo that Ian McCulloch can actually be kind of a cheerful performer. Ian McCulloch of Echo and the Bunnymen, his solo album 2003's Slidling. Started off with Sliding, finished up with High Wires. I'm DJ Than from Fairbanks, Alaska. Kind of like on a big tightrope, perched above, on top of the world, looking down, but not looking down. You know what I mean? All right. Axes, picks, claw, hammers, and footstools is your rock and roll friend. The home of the hits and the happenings here on YouTube. The place to be, the place to see, the place to do. So do the do, be the be, and see the see, and do it right here. At Axes, picks, claw, hammers, and footstools, your rock and roll friend.